Okay, Rua da Felicidade. This area, this street is kind of famous because this is where all the traditional geishas or sing-song girls, they used to entertain the men when they come in off the ships. So we're gonna go down this street and kind of tell you a lot more about it in a little bit. So stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are, Rua da Felicidade. This is going to be our focus street right here. We're going to walk down it in a minute. Before we go down that one, I just want to show you this. This is called like Panay Street or Filipino Street. Filipino cuisine, Yo-Yo Mart. I think they got Filipino stuff in there as well. It's written in Tagalog writing. So that one is also part of this Panay Street. There's a Filipino another place, Platter Mart. So these are all at the base of Rua da Felicidade, this one right here. Let's just kind of walk up a little tiny bit. It's kind of interesting. So let's walk up a tiny little bit, and then we're gonna walk down. Okay. So let's walk on down Rua da Felicidade. And yeah, this one is, there's more of a historical street. You have some nice temples in here. We're gonna deviate a little bit, show you those. There's a temple in here. Right there. A little bit further for you. So yeah, all the sing-song girls, basically, there's Naughty Nuris too. It's an Indonesian restaurant. It's really good food, like Balinese style. Beautiful balconies. So yeah, the sing-song girls would entertain people like geishas. Kind of a nice place. They teach you to cook. Let's see what this says. Okay. Tasty. That looks really tasty right there. I guess it's maybe a Macanese style or Portuguese. It's kind of cool. Okay. So let's keep on going down. Let's see. This is a coffee shop. Fook 9. We got some souvenirs in there as well. I don't think they got, you know. Okay, let's keep on going down. See, I think they're trying to rejuvenate and kind of create more business opportunities, I think. Looks like a lot of these are closed and some of them are different things. Let's see what this one is. This one looks like it's a restaurant. This is Vida Soy. I think they sell wine shop. And that's a restaurant right there. Pastel area. It's like tourist stuff. Temple. Kind of walking down. Culture Institute. They're doing some repair. But usually, sometimes I hear like playing guitar there. It's this one. This one they have a bunch of stuff from the past, it looks like. Kind of cool. Huh. So I guess this one you could eat, like right. So, it's one of them they were just eating right there, right? Sai Nam restaurant. This looks like a Chinese one. Maybe Thai. And this one looks like they have shark fin. Okay. Dragon Portuguese cuisine. This one. You got some pictures up on the wall. A lot of memories for some people. Kind of looks like a cool little place to go in. Older ship right there. I suppose. Okay. Looks like a once upon a time, maybe an antique shop. Kind of cool looking. That one looks really cool right there. I didn't even see that one earlier. Nice little setup. Takeaway. Looks like you can do, looks like a dessert. Possibly. Fish. So yeah, a long time ago, I don't know how this would all, Dragon Mama cuisine. I don't know if maybe that one might be permanently closed, maybe? I think a long time ago, they would have been, I don't know how the Sing Song Girls worked, but I think that they maybe were either up there. There's a, this guy cooks in the alley right here. I've seen him at work. Another little tiny place. But I think like the girls might have, I think there must also some bars, opium dens, things like that. Maybe some gambling places, different stuff, but now it's all kinds of different things in this area. Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia. Okay. So almost at the end here. Restaurant Fat Siu Lao. This one says since 1903. Got a little stream of people. I don't know why all the traffic came in here, but it's not really good. There's no parking or anything like that, so I don't know why you'd do it through traffic. There's some really good through traffics one block over. Right over there is a better place to go for through traffic. But anyways, so this is all Rua da Felicidade. I will end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.